Hey y'all, Miss Christian here. So today we are making a quick shopping trip into Kroger. I just need to get some dinner, some more protein shakes, and just some produce. Like, this is gonna be so quick. I got about 15 to 20 minutes before I need to be headed towards to get my other son. So yeah, let's go in and grab a few things. So first, I had wanted to get some more of this immunity mango cherry and with a sea boost. This was actually pretty good, so I need to get some more of this. I see they got new carts. That must be nice. Let's see. It says green goodness. What's this one? It looks really good. Blue goodness. No sugar added. I'm gonna get one of these as well. And I'll probably get a green goodness as well. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this green goodness. I also want to get some salad. I love these Taylor Farms. If you guys have watched like a few of my hauls, grocery hauls, then you have seen Taylor Farms. Like, they come in clutch. They just so easy. Basically everything is already what you need into a little kit, and my kids love salad. So and they have a deal right now for three for $11. So I wonder which one do I want. This one was pretty good, this Asiago kale chopped salad. So I'll probably get one of these. And I have an everything chopped kit already. I always try to get like something different, but this will just be my second time getting this one. So I'm gonna grab this one. And then what's this one? This is a watermelon. Oh, this looks good. This is a watermelon crunch, feta cheese, watermelon seeds. So I basically will be able to eat everything but the I can actually, it's crazy because I got everything with this at home. I might just end up making a salad, so I'm just gonna grab one. I'm not even gonna grab two because I literally have feta, cheese, all of that stuff at home. So I'm gonna grab one though because I really did like that Asiago, and I didn't get to see what the taste was in there of everything, so I can recreate it. That's another reason why I like getting it, because it's so, like, it helps you recreate meals, and you can actually basically try it out before you spend money to make everything. So if y'all was on my live the other day, I was talking about ice, and I was saying, like, if you like the Olipop, like, just for a pop substitute, you might as well just get ice, and they are 10 for 10. Like, if you're really not drinking that for a prebiotic, and you're only drinking it for to not drink soda, then just get ice. It's gonna save you like $2-3. What is this? Oh wow, look at this. The ultimate teriyaki chicken bowl. Okay, they trying new things. They got new things popping. So I'm gonna grab one of these. That look really good. And I don't need any of this over here. I didn't grab any, and the kids. Sit down, baby girl. Sit down. Thank you. It is nobody into this. It's nobody in the store. It is so empty. So I'm gonna go back over here because I forgot to get some strawberries. I didn't get no produce, basically. That's what I came over here for. And I only got a bag of salad. Look at these strawberries. They look kind of... Let's go over here to these. Yeah, these look a lot better. So I'm gonna grab 2 things of strawberries. And I'm gonna grab me some watermelon. It's $3.99. $3.99, so I'm gonna grab that. And I really need some veggies, but I'm gonna wait to see what I want to get. Like for the kids to have for a snack. So I'm gonna wait on the veggies, but I'm gonna go over here and get a pack of chicken. Than we ever had before. Gonna be home, so I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll, what do you want greater? I am no wave, be surfing. I show you how to get this pay, will I be stacking? Been in a whole lot of pain, now we laughing. Me and Bang making plays till we crashing. Yeah. I'm over here with the chicken. I really just want like some chicken wings. Yeah, I'm gonna get a pack of chicken wings. They all look cool. They all look a little E. coli-ish. Look for like cornbread. It might be on this aisle. I'm trying to find cornbread, baby. Cornbread is what I'm looking for.
I already got stuff for me in the house.
Well, let me see what's going on. Nuh-uh, put all that back. It ain't that kind of party.
I'm buying it though.
No, it ain't that kind of party. Oh, with your money? Oh, okay. We'll stack up. You see what I'm saying? Kids be sabotaging you. Like, you be trying to lose weight and do the right thing, and they want to bring you out for just a second. I'm looking for... Oh, I'm going to be down here. Let's see. I do need some aluminum pans too. Yes, baby.
That dude, we got sponsored by Pepsi.
Ooh.
The dude right there that's talking, you get talking to him. Yeah, what are you getting talking?
How you know he got sponsored by Pepsi?
That dude got a Pepsi shirt on.
Oh, he's selling up the pop stuff, baby. He worked for Pepsi.
Oh my god.
I need some pans. Let me see.
Fine.
I'm just making some cornbread. This is $4.99.
Okay.
They tripping. I need to be making my way over to Dollar Tree. I don't know what I thought. Okay, so yeah, we're trying to make some cornbread. We're gonna get this vegetarian cornbread mix right here. And then I need to come over here and get some more protein shakes. They have the protein shakes over here, like by the pharmacy. And so this for Kroger, I don't know where they have it for the other places, but for Kroger, it's over here by the pharmacy. I love the Atkins snacks, and so if you guys are into like want to find some healthy snack replacement, definitely get Atkins. So this is the one that I get right here. I love the strawberry. Okay, We need some more butter. Definitely, since we making cornbread, I'm just gonna get a small one. This is $3.29. Pick up the mess I made. They got it sitting right here on the edge. And then I needed to grab some plant-based milk because I don't have no plant-based milk. Okay. Now, I'm going to just grab some oat milk. Look, it went up. It's $4.49. Buy some of that in there, and then I'm out. I'm about to go make sure that was the cheapest pan they had, and I'm out of here. I'm rushing. It's so bad. They got me kind of behind, but that's okay. So let me see. So yeah, at least this is like 2 pans. Something just, oh, this is 2 pans. So yeah, I can get this for the cornbread. It's 2 pans. See, I'll pay $4.49 for 2 good thick pans, but $5 for 1 pan, no.
Satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get you up, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go. Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Don't misbehave. You must not know me. You make me crazy, kinda like Johnny. Don't sit down, better, making me lose my mind, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow.
Okay, so that was today's quick shopping trip. Let me know what you think about in the comment section below. I know I hadn't uploaded the shopping trip in a while, but trying to get back to it. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe, and put new subby so that I can greet you and say hey. Until next time, everybody, bye.